Hi guys, I'm printing a 3D Christmas design 3D printing, and I'm doing this one right here with my toy 3D printer, and it's already there. I'm gonna keep doing the accessories because it comes with a lot of ornaments, so I'm gonna keep doing them. Let's see how it goes. So let's do the candy cane ornament. I used to have I have to print by parts, but now I have to print the ornaments separately. So let's go ahead and click on this one, candy cane ornament, and let's click print. Let's see what happens on my machine here. And by the way, this is my view, and we're in the process of making a pool in my backyard. So, and this is the little cute tree. It's a Christmas tree that I'm gonna put it on my Mercari shop or eBay shop if you're interested. This is 3D printed. And these little ornaments come out, and then you can put it in. So what I'm doing right now is I'm printing the ornaments so I can hang it on the little 3D printed. And let's see where I can put it. It's gonna print 4 candy cans. And this is how it prints. We're printing the ornaments for the little Christmas tree. And it's only going to take 6 minutes and 24 seconds. So right now it's processing. And this is how is the candy cans coming up. For this little Christmas tree. Yeah, guys, so let's see how this goes. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I know I have 1 or 2 more subscribers in my YouTube channel. So here we're printing right now. Let's see how it goes. Thanks so much for watching. And this little machine has a little LCD screen. It's a touch screen where you can cancel the print, or you can go to the main home screen and you can select what you want to do. See how the candy cans are coming out? I love this little 3D printer machine. Right now it's printing the support, so I can insert it in these little circle hoops here in these holes. So it's printing the supports. And this machine comes with a system that's already predetermined for a 3D design, so you don't have to create a new model. They already have predetermined the styles. This little Christmas tree. Hey, Cherry. Cherry. You sleeping? Hey. You sleeping? Say hi. And it's almost done. and it's completed. So let's take it out. Let's take this out, and we're gonna start putting each candy can in these three, one by one. It's a little candy, it's a little candy. Let's put it here, a little candy like that. Oops. Put a little candy here. Let's put it here. Let's put another candy can on the three. Let's put another candy here. Let's put another candy here. Let's put another candy. It fell. Oh shoot. Let's put another candy. Okay, so that's my Christmas tree so far. This is my 3D printed Christmas tree with a 3D toy.